Hello, Telegram family. Today we are going to tie this nodome. I called it a jacket, maybe it's a corset. It's just some kind of a decorative tie that takes a lot of time to tie. So get ready. You will need 3 or 4 ropes. I start with the middle of the rope and I just wrap it around my waist and pass the tail through the bite like this. If you want, you can just make a single column tie in the back instead of doing this. Single column tie will be easier to untie later. And then you just wrap. Just make as many wraps, as many nodomes you want to have going vertically. So then when you're done with wraps, you probably are going to be out of rope. So add one more and start nodomes. So all nodomes in my corset are going vertically from up to down. And here is the first one done. You can make this video a little bit slower if you want to see a nodome in detail. And now I do a bunch more, 4 more, and then I go to the back, and since I don't really see what's going on there, I just do a little half hitch there if I can, and then I go back to the front and I do exactly the same thing. So here is a nodome. Okay, the first nodome is done, and 4 more. Yes, I hope. I wish I could do them that fast. And then another side, we are doing the mirroring effect of the other nodomes, so it's not exactly the same. It's if you started from the right, then here you start from the left. So one nodome is done, and we do all the rest. Yeah, so this is just a very quick overview of this tie, and the full tutorial is going to be on Patreon. The full thing takes about 15 to 20 minutes actually, but if you're fast then maybe 10. Okay, so on the other side I do the nodome again, the first one. Just try to keep all the tensions in place. That's really helpful. And then you do more. And the last one, so you probably have a bunch of rope left, so you can figure out something decorative for it or not.